Local read on ISM, all the manufacturing PMIs. We just received S&P Global a quarter of an hour ago. On the headline number for manufacturing, expecting 47.9, comes in better, 48.7. But do remember, this is the second consecutive read now under 50, although January and February were above 50, so losing a little manufacturing expansion momentum with regard to 50, of course, being that line between expansion and contraction. Prices paid, here's a number we want to go down, but it's been awfully stubborn to the upside, expecting a number over 70. So the good news, it's under 70, 69.8. The issue is that 69.8 is still basically some of the highest levels that we've seen going all the way back to the summer of 22 when you get beyond our previous read, which was 69.4. So you've had back-to-back readings that basically are comping to mid-22. That isn't necessarily good news. And it does underscore the upswing in all the inflation metrics. The issue here is maybe these surveys aren't going to be as accurate as some of the more harder data points. Now, let's have new orders, shall we? 47.2, better than expected. That would be the third best reading of the year. And if you look at it, it would comp to January. And finally, employment. What a week for employment. We have ADP a little light yesterday. We have the big jobs report tomorrow from Bureau of Labor Statistics. And we end up with 46.5. 46.5. It is below 50, and that would be the lightest read, well, just from last month, which was 44.7. We also had construction spending, always 2 months in arrears. This is a March number, but it's down 0.5%, which means it's now exactly the same as January, where we started the year down 0.5%. To find a lower number, you have to go to September of 24. Interest rates are moving up a little bit after moving down on what was a perception of a weaker labor market and some of those claims numbers this morning. Sarah, back to you.
I think the headline is manufacturing holds up a little better than expected, even though we're still contracting with the overall. Thank you, Rick.
Yeah, but it's still under 50, unfortunately.
True. Yep. Rick Santelli.